rechristen you Duke the Second.
Thanks for breaking glass where my kids play.
What's up, Bacon Bandits and or Sasquatchers? This is the final step.
We've done a final sanding and we're just gonna wipe off any kind of dust we have here. Just busting out the tackle box here. We're gonna use fishing line to hang our paddles from the ceiling.
And let her fly! The perfect cast.
All right, there's our first coat. I'm thinking we put on at least 2, maybe 3. So it's time for a light sanding with the 320 grit sandpaper, and then onto the second coat. Okay, second coat, let's do this. All right, there's the second coat. Okay, so I put on 2 coats of polyurethane, and Tom put on 3. Looks pretty good. And we're just gonna put a protective coating of lacquer on and then call it. Okay, onto the final coat. All right, this is dragged on long enough.
That's it. Stained, coated, lacquered. Sounded really nice. Turned out super beautiful. There's obviously parts that I would do differently or pay more attention to, but overall I'm happy.
We got wood for that anyways. That's coming up. For me personally, I think this one's gonna be more of a decorative piece. I think the next one I'm just gonna finish it a little bit differently. But yeah, that's for a future video to come. And I'll definitely still give this a go at least once. We got some future canoe trips in the works. And these will definitely hit the water.